In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Wi-Fi signal faster in Windows 11. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by clicking the search icon on your taskbar and typing Control Panel, then open it. Inside Control Panel, click Network and Internet, then select Network and Sharing Center. This is where you manage all your network connections. Next, click Change Adapter Settings on the left side. This will open a window showing all your network adapters. Find your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click on it, and select Properties. In the list, highlight Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4, then click Properties. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses. This allows you to manually set a faster and more reliable DNS. For Google DNS, type 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate. Alternatively, you can use Cloudflare DNS by entering 1.1.1.1 as preferred and 1.0.0.1 as alternate. Once done, click OK, then click Close to apply the changes. Go back to the Network Connections window, right-click your Wi-Fi again, select Properties, then click Configure at the top. This will open your Wi-Fi adapter settings. Click on the Advanced tab, look for Fat Channel Intolerant, and set it to Disabled to allow better bandwidth usage. Then find Wireless Mode and set it to the highest available option to ensure maximum speed compatibility. Next, locate preferred band and set it to prefer 5 GHz band for faster speeds and less interference. Then find roaming aggressiveness and set it to lowest to prevent unnecessary signal switching that can slow down your connection. Click OK to apply these changes. Your Wi-Fi may briefly disconnect, which is normal. Now click the search icon again, type Delivery Optimization Settings, and open it. Turn off the option that allows downloads from other devices. This ensures your bandwidth is fully used by your own system. Finally, click the Start button, select Power, and click Restart. This step is important because it refreshes your network settings and applies all the changes properly. After your system restarts, your Wi-Fi connection should be faster and more stable, giving you a smoother browsing and streaming experience. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.